Look at how cute this little bat hair clip is. Really cute. And I have a cute little Chucky t-shirt in the spirit of Halloween. Okay, did anyone else seriously procrastinate on their Halloween costume this year and have no idea what to go as? I got you. Here are some of my quick DIY projects or Halloween costumes that you can easily crochet over the next couple of days and get it done just in time for Halloween weekend. All right, first up, I think this one would be so funny to go as a Labubu. This Labubu thing has been such a big trend this year, and I feel like it's really easily recognizable if you do it right. They have those fluffy yarns. I know that Michael sells this type of yarn, and especially if you get this light grayish one that's like signature to some of the Labubus, I feel like it'd be an easy Halloween costume. So you can just crochet like a mini skirt and a quick bralette or quick top in that fuzzy Labubu like yarn. For the ears, you can just crochet some bunny ears. I have a couple of bunny ear patterns I found online. You would just use that yarn and make the ears. For the eyes, I feel like you can buy those big eye sunglasses or some sort of glasses on Amazon. I'm going to check, and if I find anything, I'll link it down in the description box. Or I feel like it would be really funny if you just painted it on, like just like the teeth and the eyes or something, and it could be a quick project. Bonus points if you go as the 24 karat gold Labubu. I feel like that's also hilarious to do. I actually got inspired for this one from this girl on TikTok who bought a bunny costume, thought it was a bunny costume, and when it came, it ended up being like a Labubu costume. And I was like, wait a second, you could easily crochet that as well. So I'll put the reference picture in, but I think it'll be a funny project and it's really easy. So that's number one. All right, for the second one, I feel like this one's a little bit overdone, but it's just such a quick and easy crochet project, and I feel like it's a good last minute one, is to go as a clown. So I've seen so many patterns out there on how to make a cute little clown hat. I'm going to be linking a bunch of different free tutorials that I found on YouTube and patterns that you could use for the collar as well as the cuffs. And then you just have to wear some sort of checkered, not even, it could be just like a cute little dress or something, and then do the clown paint on your face, and it would be cute if you had like pigtails or something. But I feel like that's such an easy, low effort Halloween costume that would be done in a couple of hours even. I actually got a clown costume on TikTok shop, but I didn't really like the collar and the cuffs. It just didn't match the costume that well, so I'm considering crocheting the collar and the cuffs myself. And then it didn't come with a hat, so I'm also thinking maybe I have enough time, I'll like make a little hat that you can pin on or get a headband and just put it on. So that's number two. Number three is another like pop culture, popular, probably overdone one, but that is doing the Wednesday Addams Halloween costume. I know everyone is doing this one, but it's such an easy project to do. You just have to wear a black dress, and then you can crochet like a cute white collar for the dress. I've seen a couple of people crocheting these collars. I'll leave the videos down below, but like a lacy spider webby collar would be really cute with the black dress. And then of course you just put your hair in like pigtails and wear some cute shoes, and I feel like it's such a low effort and easy project. And since you're just doing like the collar, and if you have like a long sleeve dress, you can even do like cuffs, like lacy cuffs, crochet cuffs in white, in the same white, for the sleeves as well. So then you have like the two cuffs for the sleeves and then the collar, and then you're done. Okay, for number four, this one might take a little bit more time to crochet, but a Red Riding Hood hood would be really cute. You just have to make the hood itself and then wear a dress underneath it and some cute shoes, maybe some lacy stockings. That one is a very low effort one, but it just takes a little bit more time to crochet the hood. You would need to get some red yarn. Probably could get like a bulky or like a worsted weight or even bulky weight red yarn so it works up quicker. I'm going to be adding a couple of links to free tutorials I've seen of people making these similar types of hood. This kind of bleeds into my next Halloween costume idea, which is going as a vampire or Dracula or something. You can make the same exact hood in the color black and just wear like an all black ensemble, make your face look a little bit paler with like white face paint or something, and then get some fangs and be a vampire and call it a day. I feel like that's also like a low effort Halloween costume that you can do, just accessorize and get the teeth or something, but then wear like a black cape. Next up, I have a Studio Ghibli one. So for this one, I thought that it would be really cute if someone dressed up as Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service. You just need like a navy dress and you can crochet a really big red bow for your hair and call it a day. And if you have like a wooden broom or something, that would be really cute. That one's also another quick and easy one because you're really just crocheting the red bow headband. And if you can find like a navy blue dress, I feel like the red bow with the blue dress, and if you find a broom, that's like immediately everyone would know that you're Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service. For this year, I also really want to go as Princess Mononoke, but I want to go all out and do like the whole costume and like the fur pelt and the mask and everything, but I think I'm gonna have to save that for next year because that's more of like a bigger project. But if you are ambitious and you have the time, I feel like you can crochet like the fur pelt using that same fur like yarn that you can get from like Michael's or any craft store, and then maybe wear like a white dress and crochet even like the little apron thing that she has, and then DIY the mask. Again, that's a little bit more involved, but that would be a cute Studio Ghibli type of costume that you could do. Okay, next up, I don't even know what number we're on, but this is another quick and easy project. If you have like an all black jumpsuit, even better if it's like latex or something, you can go as Catwoman if you crochet like the little Catwoman like ski mask, I guess you would call it, like something up to here with the little black ears. I've seen a couple of people post some patterns for similar like ski mask like beanies, like they have ones that look like Batman beanies. If you make one and you wear like an all black jumpsuit with some thigh high like black boots, I feel like that would be really cute. Another quick and easy project, you're just making like that head mask portion of it, so that would be a cute idea that I'm actually considering myself because I do have a black jumpsuit and I do have black yarn. Maybe that might be my backup Halloween costume this year. This is another popular crochet Halloween costume I've seen all over Instagram and TikTok, but going as a witch, so crocheting like a witch hat. And I've seen some people make patterns for really pretty lacy capes or some sort of like lacy piece that you drape over the front of like a dress or something. I have seen a lot of patterns for this that I'll be posting down below as well, but if you have time to crochet like some sort of lacy shawl or a lacy cape and you put it over a dress, and if you have time to crochet like a witch hat or you buy a witch hat, I feel like that's another really easy Halloween costume. Along the same lines, I've seen some really beautiful like spider web inspired capes and shawls that I feel would be really cute for Halloween. It might not necessarily be like a character or anything, but I feel like it's in the theme of Halloween and being spooky. So maybe like a spider web shawl and then crocheting some little spiders that you can actually put onto the shawl. I've also seen a pattern for a really cute spider web inspired collar with a little spider on it as well. So if you wear like an all black dress or something and you just have this beautiful shawl on top with the spiders on it, I think that would be really cool. I'm like quickly losing daylight here, so let me finish up this list real quick. The next idea I had would be another pop culture reference, is a Beetlejuice inspired Halloween costume. I've seen a lot of like sweaters and tops and that sort of thing for a Beetlejuice inspired costume. So I thought it'd be really cute to crochet like a cute little corset top or some sort of top. I've seen patterns for it actually, I'll link it down below, and go as some sort of like Beetlejuice inspired costume. That's also like another quick and easy project that you can probably get done before next weekend. For the next costume, again, it's not really like a pop culture reference or any sort of character, but I've seen people crocheting these really cool skeleton inspired like tops or vests or sweaters. I think would be really cool. I've seen a few patterns I'm going to be linking as well, so you can definitely go as some sort of like skeleton, maybe put some face paint on to make yourself look like a skeleton on top, like black around the eyes and then, you know, the teeth and the nose, and then have like the skeleton rib cage crocheted. And you can even put like maybe some red beads on it to mimic blood, or like crochet or embroider some red drips of blood on it. I think that would be really cool. I feel like it works up pretty quickly because the rib cage is very open and it's very like a lacy design. So I think that's a really nice project. You can even wear that to like the workplace or something. I think it's very versatile and cute. This one's another really easy one with stuff that you probably already have in your closet, but going as an angel or a devil. So you can crochet some little devil horns with some red yarn, and if you have like a headband, you can add that to a headband. And for the angel, you can just crochet some cute little wings and wear all white. Even better if you have any crocheted white items like a crochet white skirt or a cute little crochet white top. I do have a couple of free crochet patterns for like the headbands and the little wings I'll be adding down below. I think that's a quick and easy project. Everyone has like some sort of white ensemble in their closet, so you can throw it together and just crochet like the little wings for it. For the devil costume, you literally just have to wear black on the bottom and just like a red top. Even better if you have a red crochet top, and then just the little devil ears. Super quick and easy. You can even crochet like the little tail if you have time. I think that would be really nice, and it's just a staple Halloween costume that's easy to crochet and easy to make. Okay, for the last Halloween costume, this is just something that I thought of based on one of my patterns, and it's going as Jessica Rabbit using the red bow backless dress pattern that I have on my channel. When I first came out with this video or pattern, which is like 2 years ago now, which is crazy, for Christmas, I had a lot of comments of people saying it kind of looks like the Jessica Rabbit iconic red dress. So I don't know if anyone's actually made the dress or if there's even enough time. I actually crocheted that dress in like under a week. But if you are ambitious and you want to go as Jessica Rabbit, I feel like you could use this pattern, make the red dress, and then all you have to do is like get some gloves or something. If you want to go all out, you can even get the wig or just like part your hair to the side or something. And I feel like it would be a really cute costume. Now that I'm thinking about it, I already have the red dress. I'm thinking maybe I should just get like a red head wig or something and go as Jessica Rabbit and wear that dress. Now I'm getting all of these ideas for like Halloween costumes that I want to do. But that might be a good Halloween costume actually, since I already have the dress done. But anyway, I'll be linking that video tutorial down as well in case anyone wants to take up the challenge in the next week or so to create this dress and to go as Jessica Rabbit. For the last couple of items, it's not really a Halloween costume, but there's just so many patterns out there for cute little headbands, beanies, headpieces, or hats. I've seen spider headbands, I've seen frog headbands, I've seen like a Shrek hat. There's just so many different ones. I feel like those are really easy, low effort. You can find one anywhere on YouTube. Really, you can go as a cat, do cat headband, a dog headband. I've seen frog headband going as Kermit the Frog. You're just wearing all green and you crochet like the little eye headpiece or something. So I'll be linking a bunch of different ones for little headbands, which would also be really cute if you work at a school or just to wear to the workplace during Halloween. I'll just be linking a couple of those down below, and any other patterns or videos or tutorials I find that I feel would be good for a quick last minute Halloween. Everything is going to be linked down in the description box. We'll see what I come up with for my Halloween costume. I'm liking the Jessica Rabbit Halloween costume idea, so that might be my costume for this year. We'll see. I still haven't decided yet. But anyway, if you guys like my content videos and my tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be coming out with a video soon on a couple of projects that I'm working on. If you've seen my shorts, you know that I'm working on some low-rise pants, and I'm also working on a long sleeve top. So stay tuned for that video to know what projects and what patterns and tutorials are coming up in the horizon. Also, let me know down below what Halloween costume you guys are making, DIYing, crocheting. I'm really interested to see what you guys are going as this year. Let me know if you're going to use any of the suggestions that I had in the video for your Halloween costume, or if you're making your own Halloween costume or have your own ideas for what people can crochet or quickly put together for Halloween. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.